Dr.TiMaths is easy.
A. They ask to find the range of f. F is a quadratic with a positive, so we know that it will concave up. So the range will be bigger or equal than the lowest point here, which is the y of vertex. So to find the y vertex, first we need to find the x of vertex. Will be negative b over 2a, which is negative 12 over 2 times 6. So it will be 12 divided by 12, which is 1. And we use this x vertex to sub in the function to find the y vertex. So the y vertex will be 6 multiplied with 1 square minus 12 times 1 plus 1, which is negative 5. So the range of f is y bigger or equal than negative 5. Okay, B. Given that this composite function always smaller or equal to 0. So let's find g of f first. So we do from right to left, we sub f into g. So we will have it equal with negative, open bracket, 6x squared minus 12x plus 1, close bracket, and then plus c. Will smaller or equal to 0. So we will have negative 6x squared minus, sorry, this is minus, so it will become plus 12x minus 1 plus c, always smaller or equal than 0. So this quadratic 1 to be smaller or equal to 0, so the discriminant must smaller or equal than 0. So b squared minus 4ac must smaller or equal than 0. So it will be 12 squared minus 4 multiplied with negative 6 multiplied with negative 1 plus c, smaller or equal than 0. Open bracket and simplify, we will have 144 plus 24c minus 24 smaller or equal than 0. Okay, so simplify, we have c smaller or equal than negative 5. Okay, next, question 6. A, show that A0 is 100. Okay, so we start with 100. So A is 100 equal with A0 multiplied with e power 0 because we sub t with 0. So and e power 0 is 1. So A0 is 100. B, so the time taken for the half is 5730 years. So that means we have half, which is it left 50 equal with 100 multiplied with e power negative k, and the time is 5730. So that means e power negative k multiplied with 5730 equal with 1/2. So negative k multiplied with 5730 equal with ln of 1/2, which is ln of 2 power negative 1, which is negative ln 2. And we can simplify this negative with this negative. So k will be ln 2 divided by 5730. Okay, so C. Correct to the nearest 10 years, find the time taken after the blend dash for 25%. So it's left 75%, which is 75. So we have 75 equal with 100 multiplied with e power negative ln 2. Now we can sub k with ln 2 divided by 5730. 5730 multiplied with t. Now we need to find t. Okay, so e power negative ln 2 over 5730 t equal with 75 divided by 100, which is 0.75. So negative ln 2 divided by 5730 t equal with ln of 0.75. So move this one to here as the denominator and put it in the calculator. We have t nearly 2380 years. Correct to nearly 10 years. Okay, question 7. First, find the height of C. Okay, so we can apply, this is a right triangle. So we can apply SOHCAHTOA. We have tan of 0.6, we equal with, let's call this point O, equal with OC divided by OA. So we have OC, which is the height of C, equal with OA is 12 multiplied with tan 0.6. So it's nearly 8.21. Okay, an observer walks 7 meters from A to B. So this is 7, that means this is 5. Now find the angle of elevation from B. So we need to find this angle. it's still right triangle OBC, so we can apply tan of B or CBO. We'll call it opposite OC 8.21 divided by adjacent, which is 5. So angle CBO will equal with the arctan of 8.21 divided by 5. So it's nearly 1.02 radian. Okay, next, find the length of each plate. Okay, so we assume the plate is going down like this one, and this is the server. So we know that the total height of this one is the same with the height of point C, so 8.21. The observer is 1.8 meter tall, and the distance from his head to the plate is 2.5. So to find x, which is the length of the plate, we will be 8.21 minus 2.5 minus 1.8. So we will have 3.91 meter. Okay, now find P and Q. P is the amplitude of this function, and Q is the midline. Okay, so to find P and Q, we need to find the maximum point and the minimum point. So this equation represents the height of point D here. So the highest value for D will be 8.21 plus 3.91, which is 12.12. And the lowest point for D will be 8.21 minus 3.91 equal with 4.3. So to find P, to find the amplitude, we get the maximum minus the minimum and divided by 2. So 12.21 minus 4.3 and divided by 2. So we will have 3.91. Okay, Q will be the midline. We will get the maximum plus the minimum divided by 2. So 12.212 plus 4.3 and divided by 2. So we will have 8.21. So P is 3.91 and Q will be 8.21. Okay, now they ask for N, the number of times that point D passed over his head in 1 minute. Okay, so we have T in here is in second. The formula to find the period of this one will be 2 pi over B, which is 2 pi over 3 pi divided by 10. So 2 pi multiplied with 10 divided by 3 pi. Simplify, which will be 20 over 3. So it will take 20 over 3 seconds to complete one cycle. So in 60 minutes, it will be 60 divided by 20 over 3. So 60 multiplied by 3 divided by 20. Simplify. 3 times 3 is 9. So N will be 9.